In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Notion. If you've recently switched inboxes or want to unify your logins, changing the email tied to your Notion account is quick and secure. Start by opening Notion in your browser or desktop app. Look to the left sidebar and click Settings and Members. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover near the edge or tap the toggle to expand it so you can see the menu clearly. Inside Settings and Members, go to My Account. This is where your personal account details live, separate from any workspace-specific settings. Scroll to the section labeled Account Security. Here, you'll see the option to change email. Click that to begin, for security. Notion needs to confirm it's really you. If you have a password set on your account, you'll be prompted to enter it. This step prevents unauthorized changes. If you don't use a password, maybe you originally signed up with a social login, Notion will send a verification code to your current email address instead. Make sure you can access that inbox right now. If you don't see the message within a minute, check your spam or promotions folder. And give it a moment in case your mail provider delays it. Once your current email is verified, you'll be asked for the new email you want to use. Type it carefully and double-check for typos before you proceed. A single misplaced character can send the code to the wrong place. When you are confident it's correct, click Send Verification Code. Now, open the inbox for that new email address. Look for the message from Notion and copy the verification code. These codes are time-sensitive, so grab it promptly. If it doesn't arrive after a short wait, refresh your inbox, check spam, and then return to Notion to request a new code using the same screen if needed. Paste the code back in Notion to confirm. After the code is accepted, your account email is officially updated. This change applies to your Notion login across devices. The next time you sign in, use the new email address you just verified. Your pages, workspaces, and permissions remain exactly the same, only the contact and sign-in email has changed. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep both your old and new inboxes open during the process for a smoother flow. And make sure you retain access to your old email long enough to complete the initial verification. If you manage multiple workspaces, remember this is an account-level change, so it carries over everywhere you use Notion. That's it, simple, secure, and done. Thanks for watching.